Hello there. If you're watching this, chances are you're learning English and you're looking for a way to get better, faster, without burning out. Well, what if I told you the most powerful tool for mastering English isn't an app, a class, or a dictionary? It's something you can start right now with just a few minutes a day. And what is it? It's reading. Yes, reading. Not as homework, not as punishment, but as your personal shortcut to fluency, confidence, and real-world English. Let me explain why. Think of reading as a backstage pass to the English language. When you read, you're not just looking at words. You're stepping into the way people actually think, speak, and express themselves. You see how "I'm starving" sounds more natural than "I am very hungry." You're not memorizing phrases. You're experiencing them. And that's how real learning happens. Now, here's something incredible. Every time you read, you're building your vocabulary effortlessly. You don't need to force yourself to remember long lists. Instead, you meet words in context. When you read, dark clouds were looming overhead. Even if you don't know looming, you can guess it means something big and threatening is coming. And because you saw it in a moment, a mood, a scene, you'll remember it longer. That's how your brain learns best. Through stories, through meaning, through connection. And grammar? You don't have to open a textbook to master it. When you read regularly, your brain starts picking up patterns. You begin to feel what sounds right. After seeing "she had finished her work before dinner" a few times, your mind starts using past perfect naturally, not because you studied the rule, but because it feels correct. That's the magic of reading. Now, here's how to make reading work for you and improve your English faster. First, start small, but be consistent. You don't need hours, just 10 minutes a day. Read a short article, a page of a book, a dialogue from a website, or a comic. The key isn't how much. It's that you do it every day. Consistency builds fluency. Second, choose what you enjoy. This is important. If you hate romance novels, don't force yourself to read them. Do you love tech? Read gadget reviews. Into fashion? Follow English blogs or magazines. When you enjoy what you read, your brain pays more attention and remembers more. Third, reread. Read once for the story, then read again to notice the language. Highlight interesting phrases. Pause on cool vocabulary. Ask, why did the writer say it this way? Each time you reread, you learn something new. Fourth, keep a language journal. Write down 2 or 3 expressions or words that stood out to you. Use them in your own sentences. For example, glowing review. My teacher gave me a glowing review on my essay. It's simple, it's personal, and it helps you remember. Fifth, mix your reading styles. Don't just stick to one type of text. Try news articles, short stories, graded readers, and even product descriptions. The wider your reading, the richer your English becomes. And here's the best part. One day, you'll pick up something in English, maybe a novel, maybe a news story, and you'll realize something amazing. You're not translating in your head anymore. You're just understanding fluently, naturally, confidently. That moment, that's not magic. That's the result of all those small, quiet moments of reading, adding up day by day. So here's my challenge to you. Start today. Find something short, something interesting, something you want to read, and just begin. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to understand every word. Just keep going. Because every sentence you read is a step forward. Every page turns you a little more into the confident English speaker you want to be. So go ahead, open that book, click on that article, scroll through that blog. Your journey to better English doesn't start with a test. It starts with a single word, and then another, and then a sentence, and then, before you know it, a whole new world. Keep reading, keep learning, and most of all, keep believing in your progress. You're doing better than you think.